suffering with severe migraine? Don't worry, we are here for you. Make your migraine relief material at home with simple methods. We offer a unique, transparent and patient-friendly approach to migraine relief that you can prepare safely at home. We provide free raw materials along with a clear instructional video. You only need to arrange doorstep pickup within Hyderabad, India through the courier service of your choice. The treatment is for external application only. This is completely risk-free. No hidden charges. Complete transparency. If you feel it is not effective, your only expense will be the courier charges. If you experience relief, you may choose to donate voluntarily after recovery. Many users report long-term relief from migraine pain. Testimonials are available on request. This method is designed with honesty and patient trust as the top priority. A simple, low-risk opportunity to explore lasting migraine relief. For more details, call 9867 03376.